Hey, what's up guys? Jersey Cat 25 here. I'm at work. I'm giving you guys a little point of view as I'm unloading this carpet truck. As you guys can see, I have this little tiny roll. Sometimes the smaller ones are annoying because they get overlapped onto other carpets. As you guys can see, pull down, get a better bite, lift back up, reverse, find my location, which is right here. Come around, try not to hit anything. Taking you guys up to the second rack here. Lift up, and we're gonna drive around there. And that's how we do it, guys. Do me a favor, hit that button. Subscribe to my channel, Jersey Cat 25 here, and I'm out.